Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to blend two images in Canva. If you get value from the video, please can you give me a like and subscribe to the channel. So to start with, open up your Canva account and then I'm going to click to create a new design. So I'm just going to type in photo and click on photo collage. So then we're going to use one of the free apps that Canva has. So looking onto the left-hand side at the bottom, I can see apps. So I'm going to click on that and write in blend image. So there are a few different options, but one of the best ones I've found is the blend image app. So I'm going to click on there. Then it asks you to upload your images, or you can select an image from Canva. So I'm going to choose two images that I have saved on my laptop. So I'm going to upload the first one. I'm going to find it on my computer and upload it. Then I'm going to upload the second image that I want to blend. So I'm going to click on choose file again, find that image, and I'm going to open it. And then you have different options for the blending of your image. So in the section that says blend mode, you can see you have all these different options. So normal doesn't really do much. You can darken it. You can see the two images have been blended together, multiply, color burn. So just have a go through and see which ones you like the best. Quite like that one, screen. And you can make adjustments. Once you've chosen something, you can adjust it as well. Color dodge. So what else we got? Overlay. So obviously I've just chosen two quite different images. So depending on what project you're working on, you will obviously choose your own images. So soft light, hard light, difference, exclusion, hue. So you can see it's giving me all these different options for blending my images, some of which are quite cool. Let's check that last one, luminosity. Oh, I quite like that. So once you're happy with your blended images, all you have to do is click on add to design, and that will be added to your page. Then obviously you can make it bigger to fit your design and do further edits to it using the edit tool and transparency, things like that. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.